Open the glove box. Remove the damper arm. Push on the sides of the glove box to lower it, then detach the glove box. Pinch the bottom tabs and pull down to remove the housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Align the top tabs and press inward to secure your housing cover. Reinstall the glove box by relatching the hinges. Some carefully applied pressure to the base sides will have it click into place. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops. Reinstall the damper arm. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.